This is probably the most unexciting room in this entire house, but probably the most impactful things actually happen in here. Now, what I'm going to show you is probably one of the coolest rooms in the house. Technically, it's in the house, which is directly next door to this, which we'll go through now, which is still kind of a little bit of a work in progress. So this probably has the most anabolic lighting in the whole of Dubai. I suddenly look like I'm shredded, hopefully. So obviously it's full gym, we've painted all the walls black. You will see this is the American Express for Hustle that was in my previous office with no limits. Stairmaster, what's that? Concept 2 bike, salt machine, hyperextension machine. Abductor is for my girlfriend. Dumbbells up to 50 kilos, it's better than most gyms in the UK. And then this machine is a Savage, so has dual cable set up, that's really good. Smith machine, pull down, it's got a row function, it's got everything. Got a safety bar squat, I've got tons of stuff. So this has everything I kind of need. Row machine, and then this is kind of unique. So one of the problems when you have this type of equipment is it's difficult to do knee extension type of work. So this is a leg extension and also a hamstring curl in one, which is kind of unique. Now, everything else is here, it comes with bars, benches, all kind of top quality stuff, and then decent flooring. There's a couple of cool things I want to get in terms of gadgets and gimmicks that I'm also going to bring in. And what I'm also thinking about doing is taking out all this cardio stuff, because cardio is overrated, putting it outside down the side of the house, and then getting some more gym equipment in here. So that's one thing. But one of my favorite things to do, is particular at night time, is if I open the door here, you can open. My neighbors probably don't enjoy this, or it's kind of maybe a weird experience. So I'll open both of these, and it looks kind of G if it's a night time in the Ferrari. Ferrari's not on the drive now, but if I have my car on the drive as well, I have the lights on in here, a fucking music blaring, you have your top off and fucking train in your pants if you want, and then it's fucking G. Lighting is great. What is kind of weird is a couple of times I've been working out with my top off, and I've looked over, and there's just a guy just standing there watching me. I'm like, this is kind of awkward. And I don't know whether I should say anything, and I don't know whether to keep going. I just started to keep training and eventually left, but there you go. So maybe I could try and charge for this, maybe it's more effective than my current online businesses. Maybe it's a new version of OnlyFans. I could set up a streaming of me working out topless, and that could be a way we can make a load of money. So there we kind of go. But one of the reasons why I got this is from a time efficiency perspective. I haven't used it as much as I kind of thought. I like seeing other people. So the way I kind of designed my house, so it's like I use very much like an aircraft carrier. People come and go and take off, and I don't have to leave. Problem is, if I don't, I can easily not leave for like a few days, and then I kind of get a bit isolated. So I like going to the gym to get out of the house. It's also got kind of like a nice view. So one of the downsides of living on the Palm, you might be able to hear, there's a lot of construction noise sometimes. So this can get really fucking annoying, which is why often I like to work out maybe in the evening, because none of that, and then also say like Sundays, because there's no construction. Now, if you enjoyed the clip, the huge thing that's happening right now is the AI revolution. This actual video and clip was fully clipped and posted by AI. No human being was involved. And this is exactly how you scale your business faster than ever before, is you use these types of tools. Yet most people are oblivious to them and don't even know how to do this. And if you're a business owner, a content creator, or a coach, and you want help in terms of how to scale your business using AI, ads, and all the latest technology that's going to give you an unfair advantage, hit the link at the bottom of this video. You can book in a call with us and the team. We will audit your whole business, show you exactly how we can install some of these systems for you. And if we think you're a good fit, we can show you what that looks like.